going to do is I'm going to shift gears, and I'm going to go into the dark, dark world. I'm going to transition into that world of magic. So, here's the scariest thing I'm going to propose all night. And that is, I need a volunteer.
Ooh, take me!
Chris, just sit down. I'm not picking you again. That is not happening. Now, to be fair, Chris was in the show last night and did a fantastic job, but I want to let other people have fun. Chris, it's not always about you, sir. All right, looking around. Ooh, it's getting to the point. Yes, actually, you would be perfect. Yep, come on up. I saw you getting hassled by the barking thing, so like you need to have some fun. You need to have some enjoyment here. What is your name? Alex. Everyone cheer for Alex. I don't have that kind of insurance. Okay. So what's going to happen, Alex? I'm just grabbing a couple things so that we can start our magic journey together. Hell yeah. Okay, that is the right kind of attitude. Now, if you go to my right side, which is this way. You didn't just trip on my code, did you? Okay, good. Now, Alex, all right, so what's going to happen is I'm going to transition into magic because there's a couple fundamental differences between magicians and sideshow performers, right? If a magician, something goes wrong, they do this. I'm sorry. That's the consequence, that's it. Whereas a sideshow performer, something goes wrong, they get hurt, right? It's bad, right? It's real bad. Death, you are given to extremes, aren't you? Yeah? Okay, good. So, now, but then again, if a sideshow performer does something well, then they also tend to get hurt, right? I mean, so it's kind of a wash. So anyway, we're going to try magic, and I think I'm going to start with the gateway drug of magic, which is a card trick. Okay? Do you like card tricks?
I do.
Fantastic, Alex. This is going to go swimmingly. What we see here is we see an entire deck of cards. No two cards are alike. I mean, they might be the same numbers with different suits. And there's jokers, and there's all sorts of just different cards, right? Everything looks cool. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to slide these across, and I want you just to point whenever you feel like pointing. That one right there. All right, Alex, that is your card. Now, I want you to hold that half of the deck. Okay, got it? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a blindfold on so that I can't see the card, and then Alex is going to show everyone the card. Cool?
Yeah.
All right. Let me put on my blindfold. Who knew putting a blindfold on would be the toughest thing I did? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Alex, show them the card. It's the one on the very bottom, the one I showed you. Okay? Has everyone seen the card? All right, so 8 of you said yes, which means the rest of them are part of the problem. Because I'm wearing a blindfold, and if you nodded, unacceptable. I can't see you nod. I can't hear you nod. So what we're going to do is we're going to try this again. Alex, have you shown them the card? Okay. All right, that was a scattered yes, but it sounds like that is true. Now, Alex, over on my left somewhere is the rest of the cards. Do you see them?
Yes.
Can you shuffle them all together in one deck for me?
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Alex, you're doing great. Cheer for Alex one more time. You know what? This is how we get better, and they're all here for you, and I'm here for you, and you're doing a great job. See? Alex. I tried. I believe in you.
They make me inspired.
I know, right? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Alex, how's it going? Are you feeling close? Is it almost there?
I don't know, you're making me nervous.
I'm sorry. I won't make you nervous. I'm still a little nervous from the I couldn't figure out what was going on in that corner. I don't know what's happening. So.
It's the darkness.
Yeah, it's. Yeah.
All right, I'm done.
Okay, if you place the cards face down on the table over there, and then rejoin me on my right side. Okay. And are you on my right side?
I am.
Terrific. I can now take off the blindfold. I can't see the cards, right?
Yeah.
Terrific. It's nice to see you again. How have you been? It's been forever. Cool. All right, so what's going to happen? Good. It is one stack of cards. Well done. And I'm going to pick them up and I'm going to shuffle them again a couple times just to make it all official and completely mixed up. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to flick the deck of cards not once, not twice, but thrice. Note how I lift my heels because it opens up the magic chakra to allow the magic to flow through. I learned that from Gwyneth Paltrow, apparently. Too soon? Too weird? Okay, so what's going to happen though, if I'm not able to find your card, because I'm still a sideshow performer, right? If I can't find your card, then we're going to have to, there should be a penalty phase, because sideshow, there's...
I'll camera it down into your head.
That is not correct. That is 100% not correct. Because the penalty phase is actually in this thing right here. Have you seen the movie Seven? I imagine you have, with Brad Pitt and Morgan Freeman. You hate Brad Pitt, but have you seen the movie? Okay. Has the audience seen the movie Seven, the cinematic tour de force? So don't jump ahead. We're all going to do this on the count of three, and then you're going to get a weird cultural reference from this audience that have no bearing, no way of knowing, but it's going to be impressive. On the count of three, audience, 1, 2, 3. Isn't that cool? You have no idea what that means. That's fine, that's fine. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because right here, right now, is what we're talking about. And in this box is in fact a Victor brand mousetrap.
Oh no.
Did you hear that? Oh no. So, your name one more time, I'm so sorry. Alex. Alex, so I want you to make sure this is a real mousetrap. If you would just put your finger right there. Alex. It's a terrible idea. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? I know, which is a terrible idea because insurance. Good ideas.
Terrible idea.
Fantastic. All right, now, what's going to happen if I am not able to find your card like I want to do, then my tongue will end up in this Victor brand mousetrap.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Never been so nervous about a two-word response. Like, my tongue will be in that mousetrap. Hell yeah. Wow. All right, Alex. You're an interesting person that I'm meeting right now. Not mad about it. I'm just saying, like, the world is full of possibilities, and here we go. I'm going to flick it not once, not twice, but thrice, opening up the magic chakras. Your card is going to now be magically transported to the bottom of the deck. And then I will reveal that card. Everyone will cheer because my tongue will not go in that mousetrap. It'll be amazing. Because it is a 7 of hearts. And the crowd goes, no! All right. Oh. Do it. Okay. You know, I thought the South was supposed to be friendly, and not a single one of you jackals tried to stop me. In fact, you were encouraging this bad behavior. You know what, Alex? Although I think I know what the answer is going to be. Can I go for just half credit? Would you mind if I went for half credit, like a book report that's late, but like half the, can I just do that? I suppose. I'm going to take it. That's as close as we're getting to sympathy from Alex. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to go for half credit. It's going to look like that. Now, what's interesting, I appreciate that section over there being impressed, but what when you do something like rip a deck of cards with your bare hands in half, and no one responds, it gives the performer, me, a moment of, well, anxiety, yes, but a moment to reflect on two different things. One, where you lost the audience and how to get them back. And the other thing is contemplation on all the parties I didn't go to, the dates I didn't go on, the hours spent in my mom's basement learning how to rip a deck of cards in twain, mind you, and not have, and think, it's going to be so cool, I can't wait to show everyone, and then everyone's quiet. So thank you for that moment of reflection as to not only how the act is going, but what I'm going, no, too late for that, too late for that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and shuffle this again, although I'm not used to personally handling such a small deck.
That's what she said!
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's hard to talk with one's mouth full, but... That was terrible. I'm sorry, don't check That's terrible. Okay, I'm going to... I feel like this is going to work out better. Once, twice, thrice. Note the heel lift. Note the opening of the magic chakras. Note that my tongue will not be in the mousetrap because it is in fact the three of hearts is the card. The jade egg. Yes. Maybe I should have laid on a mountaintop with my legs akimbo and then hoping the sun goes through somewhere. Okay. Alright, I won't, because I really want to get the trick right. It is my last show here in Augusta, and I just want this to go correctly. Thank you for that, brief, moment of sympathy. Because I'm not sure I would have gotten it from Alex. No, of course not. Alright, so we're going to go with quarter credit, and then that's it, and I will stop, taking advantage of your kindness. Okay.
Your tongue gets smashed.
Woo!
And that is what she said. Pretty good. Uh-oh. Alex. You see the issue I have here?
Yeah, you fucked it up.
Augusta makes me feel just like growing up. But you see, there's nothing there, right? What's missing, Alex?
Numbers.
And what else? The little symbols, right? You know what those little symbols are called?
Suits.
They're called suits, but in general, the generic term for them is pips. Those are called pips. So inadvertently, I've made the Gladys Knight solo deck. Because there are no pips, you see. You know. Watch the movie 7. Yeah, no, you're fine. No, Gladys Knight and the Pips are a band. And there are no... Teacher, you didn't give us any homework. Alright, so... They were a band, Gladys Knight and the Pips. And thereby there are no pips. It's Gladys Knight solo deck. Sure. Either way, I can no longer rip the cards to all of a sudden make the pips appear or anything really. So I gotta do it. And honestly, that's what you're here for, right? And that's honestly what y'all are here for, right?
Oh yeah!
Who's your favorite person on Three's Company? Do it, as in Joyce DeWitt. And if you understood the Gladys Knight joke and the newly minted Joyce DeWitt joke, it is time to consult your doctor about that appointment. Shit, it would be an appropriate thing to say. Okay. That really hurt. I overestimated my magical abilities. Maybe I didn't do, this kind of thing enough. That one got me. Yeah, I think so. Is there anything on my lip? No blood, no puncture, nothing on my lip?
You got a little something there. Look at that.
Your card wouldn't happen to be the Jack of Diamonds by any chance, would it? I have something for you. It is a very soggy souvenir. Alex, I am again not giving you any reason to get sick on my watch. That's okay. One more time and give Alex a round of applause. There are some days when I can pick volunteers, and then there are some days we all cheer for Alex. There you go. Well done. I am not Todd Lincoln. I have torn things up. I have put a mousetrap on my tongue for your inane pleasure. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you to the Gun Museum and for Two-Way T-Rex and Lizard Band for being such a fantastic host and friend. And I will give the microphone back to him.
Thank you, sir. Come on, folks, let's let him hear it one more time. An amazing man and an amazing show. Folks, how are we feeling out there tonight? We all feeling good? I know some of you went way past this a while ago. I'm checking on the rest of you. You've turned yourself inside out at this point, haven't you? And I got news for you. There is so much more in store. Look, these next few acts as we close out the night are going to get more and more extreme, more and more unusual, stranger and bizarre than you've ever seen before. Are you guys ready for that? All right. I want you to remember you said that in just a little while when you see what we've got for you at the end of the night. But right now, as Hot Tom Lincoln makes his way off the stage with his tray of props, give him another round of applause.